Sam, back with the no nonsense review. Sound recorders of over 10 years. What I started out with was a Zoom H6. Well, actually, it was a H4, an old iteration of it, and I still have it now, and I still find it is incredibly useful. The whole top mic thing with these is they don't sound great, but they sound good enough that you can have it in any documentary. So there's that side of it. It's so durable. Like I said, I've had this for so long now. I can't believe it's not dead. But they just Zoom products just continue on. And then the third thing is that often times you have to give kit to be borrowed by filmmakers, and you can give them this and say, just handheld pick up a few things, with the stereo mic attachment, or maybe they want to just plug in a lav or something and just have it like next to them as they're doing interviews, and you can charge them for that. I'm not talking huge amounts, but it's handy to have extra solutions. Also, just sometimes you need to just have a recording somewhere else. Go off and do something else, and this is recording something else. I don't know, you can line in or ambient sound or whatever it may be. So for the money, it's bloody useful. And I got away with it for a long time. I used to wear it with a round my neck like that, and have the boom going out the side with the wireless mic in a pocket here. It's the same thing. It just looked ridiculous. So I'm surprised I got away with it for so long, to be honest.